In today's video, we're going to do an advent calendar unboxing. This was gifted to me from Colleen Rothschild. This is not sponsored. We're going to unbox it together. So this is what I'm going to do. We're going to unbox it together day by day. We're going to go through all of them. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what I think, and I'm going to share my favorites from the set. So let's get into it. When you get it, it looks like this. On the back, it's hard to see with mine. Let's see. Yeah, okay. On the back, it kind of says what, has a listing of everything that's in here. And then on the front, it says Colleen Rothschild Beauty 12-Day Advent Calendar. So then you slide this off, and then it looks like that. I'm getting reflection from my light, so there we go. And then we're going to open this up. And when you open it up, it looks like that. It says, countdown to the holidays with the limited edition Colleen Rothschild Beauty Advent Calendar, thoughtfully curated to bring you an assortment of Colleen's current favorites. I'm going to go in order. We're going to go with number 1 here. Okay, open it up right like that. It's got some pretty gold paper in there, so that's nice. I like that. So it's a gift, not just stuff shoved in a box. Like that gold. Her. So day number 1 is her mascara. It's a panoramic mascara. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'll open it up, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to slide number 2. This is her Vitamin E Lip Moisturizer. There you go. We're going to go in with number 3. This is the Matcha Tea Hydrating Balm. This one says, one swipe of the Matcha Tea Hydrating Balm delivers instant hydration, has poppy seed oil, deeply nourishes skin, while bamboo extract keeps skin supple, safe from free radicals. Formulated with matcha tea, dandelion root extracts to detoxify skin, reduce puffiness, and improve moisture levels. That is what that looks like. Oh, so it's like a balm. Okay, so put that aside. Going in with number 4. All right. The cleansing balm, and you also get one from us with it as well. Number 5. This is the Quench and Shine Restorative Mask. Number 6. This is the Intense Hydrating Mask. Number 7. This is the Clarifying Detoxing Mask. Number 8. The Dual Enzyme Polish. Number 9. The Sheer Renewal Cream. Number 10. This is the Matcha Tea Treatment Toner. Number 11. This is the Extreme Recovery Cream. And the last one, number 12. This is the Balancing Gel Cleanser. So let's take a look at everything a little bit better and talk about it. I'm going to share my favorites with you. Cleansing balm has been a repurchase for me. This is really nice because you can take this with you when you go on vacation, and I would recommend keeping this container. So when you go on vacation, you can scoop out your, from your larger jar, you can just scoop some out in here and bring this with you. And I love her muslin cloth. I love these so much. I use this to take my makeup off. It's wonderful. Oh, it's wonderful. I love using these with it. So this is what they look like, and they're fabulous. I love these. So this is this is something that I've repurchased myself, and I love this. I've used a lot of cleansing balms before, but I always go back to this one. It's just so good. I don't find it to be greasy or heavy. I feel like it even takes my eye makeup off too, so I just really, really love it. This is something I have not used before, so I don't know. So I'm curious to test it out. So this is, again, the Matcha Tea Hydrating Balm. I am really, really excited to try this. So it says on here, glide this convenient stick onto skin anytime, any day to soothe and smooth and hydrate and protect. So I'm really excited to try this, and it smells really nice. I mean, it smells like tea. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to put a little, oh, that's really nice. Wow. It's very light feeling. It just glides and it feels nice. So I'm really, really excited to try that. The vitamin E is one of my favorites. I love this so much. I love this. I use it during the day. I use it at night. I just love it. It smells amazing. It smells like brown sugar, and I just want to eat it. I just love, love, love this balm. I love it. Mascara didn't work out for me personally. I did a review on it. It didn't work out for me. I love the packaging on it. It's very, very luxe. Maybe I should try it again. But when I tried it, it transferred on me. But, whenever you get anything, any kind of a set of anything, you're not going to love everything in it. I don't care what you get. I mean, I purchased things from Charlotte Tilbury back there. I bought those last year, and I don't like everything in there either. There's some things that I really liked, and some things were no. Okay. And this, unfortunately, I didn't like. This is the Extreme Recovery Cream. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I use it in the morning. I use it at nighttime. It is not heavy, but it's very, very hydrating. I think that's what I love about it. It's not like a really heavy, thick cream. It's just so nice. I feel like whether you have dry skin or oily skin like mine, you're going to love this. It's really lovely. And I would, keep these containers because you can use them when you travel. This is the Quench and Shine Restorative Mask. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Now, I'm using different products right now, but I told you guys I have to switch off on stuff. I can use stuff for a while, and then eventually I will get back to using this. It smells, I just love the smell of it. I love the scent. I wish you would make this in a perfume. I really do. Colleen, please make this in a perfume. It smells so wonderful. It doesn't, to me, the perfume, I didn't feel like it lasted long on my hair that I remember. I haven't used it in a while. But it makes my hair so soft. I love this. And again, this is nice for traveling too. I just love it. I love the packaging, and the product itself is just wonderful. It's really, really good. The Balancing Gel Cleanser. Now, this is something I have not tried from Colleen, to be honest with you. I've tried her cleansing balm, but I've never tried any other cleanser, so I'm curious about this. I'll have to try this. I'll have to try this out. Let me see if there's a little bit of a scent to it. Yeah, I will let you know what I think. I haven't tried it myself, so I'll be excited to try it. That's one thing I like about this, like the skincare one, is that they make nice travel size skincare when you go on a trip. This one is the Intense Hydrating Mask. I don't believe I've tried this one either, so this will be a new one for me. I want to open this up just so I can see what it looks like. So it's like, oh, so it's just like oh, that's nice. Yeah, I have not tried this. I'm squirting it on my hand. It smells so nice. So it's like a skincare mask, if you will, when you would put it on at nighttime. So it would really, really hydrate your skin. So you wake up with a really pretty glowy skin. I'm excited to try that because I've not tried that one. This is the Sheer Renewal Cream. This is really, really good. I don't think I talk enough about this one. This one's really nice. It's a really nice moisturizer. It's not really heavy. It works really, really well under makeup. You can put it on before you go to bed. You can put it on under makeup, part of your morning skincare routine, nighttime skincare routine. It's really, really a nice moisturizer. Really love this. Now, if you feel like you're more like really, really dry, I would definitely go with the Intense over this. But if you just have dry skin or you have oily skin too, I think you really like this. Or normal skin. You should always be hydrating your skin. It's a really good one. The Matcha Tea Treatment Toner. I have not tried this, so I'm really, really, really excited to try this one as well. So again, it'll be a nice like little travel size for me too. But I'm really excited to try that. The Dual Enzyme Polish. I do like this, but I'm going to be honest, I don't use a lot of granule scrubs anymore. I haven't been using them, but it is a really nice one. I actually got this in the in her travel set. And the last thing is the Clarifying Detox Mask. Again, it's just not something that I really use. It's okay. I'm just not a big fan of these kind of masks, I guess. Do I think it's worth it? I think it is worth it if you are a Colleen Rothschild fan and you already like some of this stuff, but you want to try other stuff. Definitely. If you know somebody in your life that, is getting into skincare and you love Colleen Rothschild as well, definitely would be a great gift to give somebody. Yes, I do think it is worth it to me. These are all deluxe sizes. Like they're not like a little mini sample size. Like that's a good size. That's a good size to try it and really see if you like it before you decide to purchase it. I mean, they're good sizes to try. They're not like teeny little mini sizes. They're decent size to try it to see. You're going to get a lot out of this. It doesn't take a lot of our cleansing balm. It takes me a while to go through it, and I use it every single night. Okay. So these are, in my opinion, are really nice sizes. In my opinion, I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it again for all those that that I listed. If you know somebody that's into skincare, if you already like her stuff, you want to try some new stuff kind of a thing, you're going to like this set. I think it's really, really nice. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Maybe I gave you an idea for Christmas for someone. Maybe I gave you an idea for yourself. I definitely would check it out. I will leave the link below so you can. Again, thank you to Colleen Rothschild for gifting this to me. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate all of you guys too. The reason that I'm gifted products is because of you. It's your continued support. So thank you so much for all of your support. It really means so much to me. And, I'm given opportunities like this to try new products, and I'm going to test all these out. The ones that I haven't tried out, I will test out, and I will let you know what I think in an updates video. Thank you all so much for joining me. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I share new videos every single week. And please do me a huge favor. Before you leave, please make sure you like, share, and comment my videos because it helps to push them out to the algorithm, and I would greatly appreciate it. And for all of you that are new here and all my OGs, thank you so much for your continued support. It really means so much to me. It really, really, really does. Thank you so much, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.